If you have successfully set up your Parent Portal account, you can access the online Parent Digital Citizenship course by clicking on the link in Step 1 of the Course Access Guide. If you are taken to the MCPS verification page, click on the Parents Guardians button in the center of the page. If you are directed to the PowerSchool single sign-on page, select the link for Sign In as a parent or guardian. This link will take you to the Parent Portal login page. Sign in with your username and password. This will take you to the Enroll page for the course. From here, click on the Enroll in Course button. Once enrolled, click on the Go to the Course button, which will take you directly to the Parent Digital Citizenship course. Click Start to begin the course and follow the directions in the module. Be sure to use the previous and next buttons to navigate through the module and complete all parts of the module to receive a completion confirmation at the end.